Hi, my name is Caitlin Carlisle, and I am here to explain the importance of project-based learning in an educational setting. Early theorists such as Paget and Vygotsky theorized and emphasized the importance of social interaction and hands-on experiences in an educational setting, which is what project-based learning is all about. Project-based learning actually creates more long-term effects. Children retain the information better, and it actually creates better results on tests and assessments. And this is because when children are engaged in a hands-on activity, it releases oxytocin in their brain, which helps with long-term memorization. The project I have created is an elementary age-appropriate project that involves planting and gardening. Planting and gardening is one of the best project-based learning experiences because it's very hands-on and actually connects those neural pathways that are really important for long-term memorization. This goes hand in hand with Bloom's taxonomy, which is a level of memorizing and learning steps that helps you master certain skills. The first step would be to memorize the plant parts and what they do. The next step would be an art-based project, which you would create a replica of a plant and label the different parts and explain what they do. The next step would be to design the garden, because when doing this, they will learn what is best for plants, what they can be planted by. So designing the garden is one of those steps in Bloom's taxonomy. And the last step would be to plant or create the garden and watch it come to life. This could be a short-term or long-term project, and you can also tie in the good effects of growing your own plants and the good effects that has on the earth, and eating a more plant-based diet and the good effects that will have on your body. So in conclusion, project-based learning is the best way to create a fun and long-term educational experience in your classroom. Thank you. Hi, for this next part, I just wanted to take a deeper look into Bloom's taxonomy and how that ties in with project-based learning and with this particular project that I have created for my classroom. The very bottom level of Bloom's taxonomy is memorization, and that goes along with this first part of just memorizing the plant parts, being able to recall them, being able to recall what they do. This next part I don't have written down, but what I would probably do for the next level, which is understanding, is just point at a picture of a plant or get an actual plant and point to the parts and have them tell me what they are, so I know that they understand what they're seeing. The next part is to apply. And this is when you can actually create something with the information you have gathered, and that's why I made them do an art project and had them label everything, because this will just exercise a different part of their brain. With the information they have learned, they will apply that to their art project. The next steps are analyzing and evaluating, and I feel like those two can kind of go together with designing the garden, because they are weighing what would be the best option for each plant, where they should put it, where it would go best, and what will make the garden thrive the best. And then the very top tier of Bloom's taxonomy is creating, and that would be to actually plant their garden, water it, and take care of it, and watch it grow.